Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to take a design from Canva and put it into a Word document, in today's video, we are going to give you a clear and step-by-step guide. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing we can do is open up our Canva design, go to canva.com and head over to one of the Canva design that you have, open it up. For example, let's say this is the Canva design that I would like to put in a Word document. Once you are here, you can go ahead and start designing it, add elements, or customize it according to your choice before you download it. Once you're okay with it, you can look out for the share option in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. After you click on it, you need to find the option for download here. Go ahead and find it and click on download and then confirm it. Now you can just go ahead and select up the pieces that you would like to download and select up the file type. Select the file type and then go ahead and download the PDF standard form, or you can even download the JPG or the PNG file. You can just go ahead and do so, one of them. After you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on download option right here. Click on download and download it. Download the particular file. It may take some seconds depending upon the file size also, and open it up. And you should be finding it on your device itself. So you may wait for certain seconds for it to be downloaded first. And there we go. Now the file has been downloaded. You can go ahead and view the file location for your file. Now, once you are here, what you can do is you can close this up and you can head over and open up your Word. So head over, open up Word, click on open. And once you open it up, you should be finding this where you can go ahead and create up a blank document or anything. You can head over to this open option right here and click on it. And once you click on it, you can click on browse. And from there, you can just go ahead and look out for the PDF file that you just downloaded. Just go ahead and open it up, which should be available. Mine is this, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. After it is done, you can click on open. And you can select this option of all Word documents in this format right here and click on open. After that is done, you will be finding the Word being converted. You can go ahead and convert it into an editable Word document. Confirm it, click on OK. And then Word will directly convert the PDF to an editable Word format right here. You can then adjust the text, images, and then even the layout for yourself. You can just go ahead and do so. And there we go. I can save this particular file, and that's how you go ahead and edit it out, not just an image, directly to an PDF. And that's it. If you want to take a design from Canva and put it into a Word document, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.